right way and kept out the shot. Oh, it's hit the post. Off the woodwork. So close. The keeper guessed correctly. Oh, not a good penalty. Good gamble by the keeper there. What will he do here? Power or placement? The goalie comes out on top. Which way will he put it then? He saved it. Great reflexes. Here we go then. Can he finish it? The keeper stopped it. Back off the bar. Surely he'll put this one away. Solid strike there. Never in doubt. Tremendous pressure here. He must score this